Welcome back to my channel. I'm itskylabi, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this crochet hair. There are only a couple things that you need. You just need your crochet, and you also need your braiding hair. Duh. Okay, so the braiding hair that I used was free tress braid, and I used in the style the 2x soft faux loc plumpy curl 20 inches. Pretty much what you need. And then I braided my hair into 10 braids. I braided, sorry, I'm standing, that's why like this is all. But anyway, I braided my hair into 10 braids. The braids were not neat. I honestly don't feel like they need to be super neat. The only thing I'll say for next time, because this is the second time I'm crocheting ever, is I'm going to leave out hair in the front and do single crochet. So I'll just crochet that one or do it into a braid just so it looks way more natural. But like as for right now, I like it. Like I can style it any way I like. It's really pretty. I didn't know what I was feeling when I got this hair. I didn't know what to expect. The only thing that I'm hoping is like with time it'll start to look like this. Okay, this one. As opposed to it being so neat. I don't like it super neat, so I've been trying to like scruffle it up so it just looks beat up a little. Yeah, I want it to look a little bit beat up so it looks more natural, like actual locks. So anyway, I'm just not going to talk too much so that you guys can actually like just see what I do, braid my hair and everything, and catch you at the end of the video. Bye guys. I start off by just parting my hair. I braided a couple before I started recording it. And like I said earlier, the braids don't have to be neat. The only thing I'll say is like next time what I'll do is the front part, I'm just gonna leave the front perimeter out and do single braids there so that it'll look more natural, because like I've had it for a while now, like a week and a half, and the front part is a little bit it's not as neat as it was when I first did it, pretty much, and it's only been a week. So yeah, so the thing already comes pre-looped, which is like perfect, but the only thing is you need to like kind of like open it up a little bit, get your crochet. You pretty much, yeah, I've had a couple attempts of that. You put your crochet, you put the loop on there, you close the crochet, drag it out, open that little loop up, and just insert the other end. Okay, so I'm currently at 3 packs. I've used 3 packs on my hair already. This is what it's looking like. It's pretty heavy. It's not as light as I thought it would. Okay, for the sake of referencing, you take the crochet needle, you close the crochet needle, pull it out, remove it, make the loop bigger, and put that. I did this in real time so you guys can see what it looks like. And just drag, and you don't even need to tie it more than once. None of my braids have fallen out, honestly. Put it in, close, insert, repeat. And that's pretty much it.